Good afternoon. I am Dr. Rupam Das from Dr. Rupam's Diabetes and Foot Care Center, which is located at Pan Bazar, Guwahati. And today we'll be talking about some public interest videos wherein we'll talk about the benefits of yoga, which does not only improve the fitness, but it also improves hypertension, reduces blood pressure, reduces cholesterol levels. Weight loss also is there, though not very significantly high weight loss, but it does cause a little bit of weight loss. And benefits also include improving in the blood sugar levels, and a lot of other benefits like mental health and posture improvement is there. So we'll be discussing about few yogasanas wherein our patients with diabetes or hypertension or cholesterol abnormality can do these asanas at their home also, and avail the benefits of the yoga. First asana which I'll be discussing is pranayama, which is the foremost breath control or controlling the breathing. To perform this pose, we need to follow few steps which is given below. Sit comfortably in Sukhasana or Padmasana, which is commonly known to all, with your spine tall and shoulders relaxed. Rest your hands on your knees in Gyan Mudra, wherein we need to give the index finger and the thumb touching. Close your eyes and take a few natural breaths to settle down. For Anulom Binolom, close the right nostril with the thumb. Inhale through the left nostril for 4 counts. Close both the nostrils. Hold the breath for 4 counts or Kumbhaka. And then release the right nostril and exhale slowly for 8 counts. That means the initial 4 counts we have to breathe in, and then 8 counts we have to breathe out. And we repeat the same thing on the other side. And practice this for 10 to 15 minutes, maintaining rhythmic, controlled breathing throughout.
Inhale again through the left. And exhale through the right. Again, inhaling through the right.
Pranayama regulates the autonomic nervous system, lowers blood pressure, improves oxygen delivery to the heart, and stabilizes the blood sugar levels through stress reduction. Other key benefits will be blood pressure control. Slow deep breathing activates the vagus nerve by reducing hypertension. Blood sugar balance happens by lowering the cortisol level, which directly impacts the insulin resistance. Heart rate regulation also happens and improves heart rate variability and the cardiac rhythm. Lung strength increases because of the breathing practices. It increases the respiratory efficiency and oxygen saturation. Mental clarity also happens, calms the anxiety, sharpens the focus, and improves sleep quality. So overall well-being supports physical and mental well-being for the better health of the patient. We'll be talking about another yogasana called Malasana, which is the garland pose. To perform this pose, follow the steps given below. Stand with feet slightly wider than the hip width apart and toes turned out about 45 degrees. Bring your palm together at the chest in Anjali Mudra or prayer position. Inhale, and as you exhale, bend the knees and slowly lower into the deep squat. Keep the heel on the floor if possible. If not, at least place a folded blanket under them. Press the elbows gently against the inner knees to help open the hips wider. Keep the spine long and chest open. Do not round the back. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply then slowly rising up. Malasana opens the hip and the groin. It stimulates the digestion and the kidney function and activates the pelvic floor, and it's one of the most natural human resting position and deeply therapeutic. The key benefits would be the digestive activation. Squatting improves, compresses the abdomen, stimulating the entire digestive tract. Kidney and bladder health improves by increasing blood flow to the kidneys and the urinary system. Hip flexibility, by which opens up the tight hips and the groins, and the pelvic floor muscle also tone increases. The ankle and the knee mobility improves. Its flexibility and strength in the ankle and the knee joint improves with this asana. Overall well-being grounds the body and calms the nervous system effectively. We'll be talking about another important asana known as the Surya Namaskar or sun salutation. To perform this pose, stand straight at the front of your yoga mat with feet together and palms joined in front of the chest, or Pranamasana. Inhale and raise your arms overhead, gently arching your back, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale and bend forward, bringing your hands towards the feet, Padahastasana. Inhale and take your right leg back, looking upward, or Aswa Sangvalasana. Hold the breath and move the left leg back into the plank position, or Dandasana. Exhale and lower knees, chest and chin to the floor, Astanga Namaskara. Inhale and lift your chest into Cobra position, or Bhujangasana. Exhale and raise your hips into downward facing dog, or Partavasthana. Inhale and bring the right foot forward between the hands, Aswa Sangvalasana. Exhale and bring the left foot forward, bending towards the legs, or Padahastasana. Inhale and rise up your arms for overhead, gently arching the back, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale and return to the starting position with palms joined, or Pranamasana. Complete 4 to 12 rounds at a comfortable pace while coordinating the movement. Surya Namaskar is a complete body workout that improves flexibility, circulation, metabolism, and overall vitality. It energizes the body, strengthens the muscles, supports physical and mental well-being, and key health benefits would be full body strengthening because it involves the whole body, engages multiple muscle groups, improving strength, endurance, and flexibility. Metabolism boost also happens, stimulates the digestive organs and helps maintain a healthy metabolism. Better energy and vitality, it refreshes the body, improves stamina, and promotes overall well-being. Posture and flexibility also improves the spinal flexibility, balance, and body posture through regular practice. Stress reduction also combines the movement and breathing to calm the mind and reduces stress. So this asana will ultimately benefit the whole body as a whole. So we should practice this sort of asanas on a day-to-day basis to get benefits for a better health and better healthy life.